Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can share world with friends in LEGO Fortnite. So first, you need to make sure that your friends is in your world. So once you're both in your world, basically you just have to press M on keyboard and then it will open up your map. Then here you will actually hear player stub. But if you do not own a world, then you can only see map and inventory. But if you actually own the actual world, you will see here world owner and then guest. So if you are going to click on your friend, you can see here you have 7 keys remaining. And that you can share a key with your friend and then a message shows up here that you share the key. Now for example, if you're the one who received that invitation to join your friend's world, for example from here, you just need to click on select world. And then, you will find My World and Share World. Select the Share World and click Play. So here, you can actually play there inside of their world even they are not online. So that's it. That's how you basically share world with friends in LEGO Fortnite. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.